Hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-reading ng carbon resistor. Ito. 0 is black. 1 is brown. Red is 2. Number 3, orange. Number 4, yellow. Number 5, green. Number 6, blue. Number 7, violet. Number 8, gray. Number 9, white. Ito naman ang symbol ng resistor ito. Ito ang symbol ng resistor. Yan, ganyan. Yan. Color coding lang yan. Ito yung number. Ito yung color. Color coding. Ayan guys ha. Yan. Yan ang color coding ng carbon resistor. At ito ang symbol. Yan. Ganyan.